Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Maria Richel Pitalcorin Misula, 47 years old, married with 3 kids. I worked before in Saudi Arabia as a household worker with 6 family members. My main duty is to take care of the children, and I also do house cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing, and car washing and taking care of cats. I am currently working here in Hong Kong and taking care of an elderly. I am very responsible person, caring, loving, kind, and God-fearing. Ma'am and Sir, if you choose me as your helper, I will be promised that I do my duties and I follow your instruction clearly, and I promise to finish my contract. Have a nice day. Thank you, Ma'am and